Hi, I'm Andrew Brown of the Infinity Law Centre. I'd like to take a few minutes to discuss current cases we're investigating that involve the prescription drug Actos. Actos was prescribed to adults who suffer from type 2 diabetes, which is a condition that occurs when the body does not produce enough insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. Actos has been promoted as a safe, effective drug since Takeda first put it on the market. While there were early warning signs that Actos could have severe side effects, Takeda failed to acknowledge them and downplayed the risk for serious side effects in its advertisements. Several studies have linked Actos to serious cardiovascular issues as well as bladder cancer. A study reported in the Journal of American Medical Association found a direct link between heart failure and Actos, and concluded that Actos increases the risk for heart failure significantly more than other diabetes medications. British researchers published a study in 2012 and found that Actos increased the risk for bladder cancer by 83%, especially after long-term use. A third French study found similar results after it examined over 1.5 million Actos users. However, despite the direct link between bladder cancer to Actos, the company failed to put any mention of this risk on its label until 7 years after the initial link was found. After investigating these studies, the FDA released a statement warning consumers and medical professionals of the risk of bladder cancer and cardiovascular issues with Actos use. This warning came after the FDA's own investigation into Actos found that the risk for bladder cancer increased by 40% if Actos was taken for over 1 year. If you or a loved one suffered from bladder cancer or heart failure, or if you have had a loved one pass away due to these injuries caused by the prescription drug Actos, then you need to seek legal advice to determine whether or not you have a claim for these injuries. At the Infinity Law Centre, our experienced lawyers have a reputation for helping those injured by Actos receive fair compensation for their injuries. If you believe that you or a loved one has suffered injuries as a result of Actos, please contact an attorney of the Infinity Law Centre. Our dedicated attorneys will fight for you and help you obtain the compensation you deserve for your injuries from the prescription drug Actos.